Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, put it up. Yes, yo, no, God, yo.
Me say, yeah, man, me, I make you come look for me. Tuffy, but sit down. What you want connect? You see that down to the two enough. And me make down black you, you know. Brother, body tell me if black you long time, I don't pay no long money, but if I black you, I black you when I feel like Tuffy. Me a star in a real life. But I told Dan to black you because you don't good. Yes, just like what you call the lady will stay here. The lady will stay here. Where's Dan, friend? Me tell her. Me say if Tuffy can't cross Dan, she will cross any blood clot. But he's supposed to protect Dan. I left Dan have 3 million at Jamaica 5 million. You have to make me know that. Pussy, you know, say I idiot. Yes. Money this. This why I kill someone, you know. And I tell you that all the time, money. Tuffy money this. Why I bury someone, you know. Cannot too licky no blood clot. To know do have no ambition. And that me I try to teach you. Ambition me that try to teach you, you know. Little girl. Ambition. Can embarrassing so when Ashanti beat up and butter bruise the pit. Bruise the pit them it hurt me. So when them butter bruise the pit them it hurt me because I'm a mama first. Me not do pit meal. Me are you see me are you me are this. Are you Tuffy? You can't chat to me. I don't like dirty toilet paper. No. The way I see you go graduation, I want to drop down. And you for be a band Jamaican full of so much chat. All the one Rosalie look better than blood clot. You know, so I know the girl there. I'm feel proud of the girl. The girl are right care, the girl are right things that Tuffy you are cruff in a real life. You are blood clot cruff in a real life, that me I tell you. That me never want to do with you. Me from a different country, I tell you that you're a fucking cruff. You make your culture look blood clot bad and you have too much chatting in your mouth. Show up them chatting in your blood clot mouth. Idiot blood clot girl. Girl will beg me things. No girl will run back on me and call me 5, 6, 7 o'clock for your 40 or 50 that can diss me. You know no bumbo clot body. Go in there, you go do your ear, go wash up your grease up blood clot face. Idiot blood clot girl. I Brandon this sorry for you. I can Brandon they need backative for help cost. But Tuffy, I'm going to show you so long show you I make Brandon block your blood clot. Just like what yesterday you call me say don't answer. Cause you gone over my name about blood clot. Tick tack. Don't call me bumbo clot name. Because me run gone left you already cause you this down. And if you can't this down, you can't this any pussy. And that me look at life because you're supposed to protect Dan. Dan says she know you from a little girl. And me no run certain joke in a real life. At least I don't know bumbo clot me. A liar till me say people me and them come for is like step me and them cuss. But you know see me not give out the information, me not give out them address, not give out this, I'm not give out that. A bad to ban me and them cause me not make no pussy walk upon them when you know people in a real life. You know, see you're hungry. $50 you crucify Dan for. You say Dan come off for it so blood clot long. So long Dan come off for it and only $50 you say. You say me and Brandon send you more money, everybody Dan look out for you. And me turn and tell you say Tuffy the lady don't have to give you nothing. You know how she work in America. I say, you know, all the people for working, and when people give you things Tuffy, you must appreciate it. All when you cost dirty body, $50. Me tell you, don't cost money body for the $50. Be grateful no because she never they have to take that $50 and give you. She could have give it to her family then back home. She could have give it to her mother. She could have give it to her picture of her grandson. When I'm grateful no blood clot, you Tuffy. That's why I tell you, say, this one will be your downfall. This year, Tuffy, look, this one will be Tuffy downfall. When you write it down and put it down in the Guinness book. This is going to be a downfall. You understand? Because let me tell you this. God don't wear blood clot pyjama. All the way have a bumbo clot day. Karma is a blood clot. Any wickedness we do in life, it come back to blood clot. We come back to repeat it then. And don't remember, and don't forget this word. I'm tell you that already. Go get a look at ambition. And then I'm going to answer your phone call. You know, say, I'm not answer you. Every minute you don't want to say until diary. Oh, I'm not call him. Tuffy, you call me every minute. You send me your something and I don't pay no mind, Tuffy. You send me something and I do not pay no mind, Tuffy. Because guess what? You have to have a little ambition for chat to me. You don't have no ambition, little girl. You're a beggar and you say, I never hear about them say, you say you not start being a beggar. None of my friends can be a beggar, Tuffy. Tuffy, me full of too much style and pattern. Me very bossy. Me no like embarrassment, Tuffy. Yes, me no like embarrassment. At that me can't tell. Me no like shame. That's why me like walk the right road and like do the thing the right way. You understand? Me like embarrassment. You understand? Yeah. So guess what? You can't chat of your thinking mouth. Tuffy, call me even to me say your dad. Tuffy, the reason we not cuss you. Come show the people them say me send. And who send your son congratulations picture June. How much time you call me, me no answer you. Y'all tell Santos, y'all call Santos say you want chat to me. Me tell Santos say, When I talk to Tuffy until she get some ambition. Yeah, you have ambition. So me I tell you if you go ambition. Me not tell you if you want to give me people business. Come never tell you if you do that. Me I tell you go look some ambition and then you come chat to me. You see when you have ambition, then me come cheer back for blood clot. You can't cheer for you Tuffy. Can you feel me? I'm not a failure Tuffy. You fail me, you fail me, you fail me, you fail me. The bunch of talking you are, you fail me. You have no ambition. Mm-hmm. No ambition. Tuffy, appear like me laugh. Appear like me laugh for you, you know. Everybody know me appear like me laugh for you. Mm-hmm. If you gonna get some ambition. Ice cream nice is it? Me know me miss Jake one, you know. But me show you this. Me not deal with you, just not do with the kids them to you. The kids them have to get big and talk to me. You will never get a dollar from me. Unless Jake one and your son can call me. Auntie Kim. Or them have a bank book and them say Auntie Kim. You could never get a dollar from me till you have ambition. You don't have no ambition, little girl. But buy some ambition. That you must do. And come talk to me. And stop them over their life. Cause I'm good to you. I'm tell you very good things them. Very good things them. So when you are say me chat back to work, me supposed to send a blood clot and come here with them on a blood clot friend. I war, we are war. Just like how you and bag them I war. And you over there, me no business. If you over there, me no business over there. Come in nose a dog, eat dog from the blood clot IG. Me a idiot. Tuffy, not my real friend. Hmm? So you love because your kids them I need guidance. Uh-huh. I mean, not like people disrespect people pick, yeah. Me not do pick no war, you know. Me not do them thing them. Me love kids and me grow good. Hey, what's up? Me grow good. Me cuss you. Why you me a cuss? You know, see you not come for. Me not touch J-Kwan because me love J-Kwan. Like, whoa, a sick boy that you know done that, you know. I might done that. See, Uncle Foley there. You will never get a dollar like that. You until them grow big. Or me go Jamaica and see them and myself, I'm put a money in them hand. But you not get no money through Kim. Because you have no ambition. I mean, I was telling you, but get some ambition. I want if money pass you and me give you, Brandon give you, the whole Jamaica give you. Everybody at Jamaica give you before. Spice give you, the whole world give you. And you don't make nothing out of yourself. Yes. You always come and embarrass yourself. You understand? You know, so, see, remember show the people. When Tuffy, when I just come from the IG, Tuffy got friend the whole of my family them and Tuffy I beg them. My family call me when my friend because she face it. She call me and say, why your friend, where I am, your mad friend come and ask me for money, she know me from. And I said, I call Tuffy, I said, Tuffy, me is the only bagger. Deal with me. Don't go in my family in because them mouth no normal. You see me who hold on things them, they will bust it up on you. So don't do that. Huh? I say, I like you. I tell them, say, I'm a little friend. We're back with the bagger, I think on IG. This you call them this you. I said, where you going? People them back go beg them money for. I said, don't do it. I said, brother, tough you going my family them inbox and I beg them. And people my family them call me from and I never beg them. I never call them people them I beg them yet. And you reach before me. You didn't even give me a chance to say I can't beg $2 too. You run before me I beg. Huh? Toughy. You should have waited till we call you. You should have waited till me and Auntie Dan call you. Yeah. Because me and Auntie Dan still have a little love for you. Uncle Foley big up yourself. Me and Auntie Dan still have a little love for you, you know. But we have to teach you a lesson. Tuffy, since you tell Baga say you send me recording and me send it to them, play the recording, Tuffy. Because I want you to prove the people that say me is a wicked and a liar and a evil. Yeah. I want you to prove the people that manage the wickedness they want to do. Behind closed door. You send me recording, right? Play the recording, make we hear it. Tuffy, that's the next $100. So that's $200 in the day Friday. Because I know you want that $200. Post a picture with your son graduation. And don't come to the crowd in the car. May you call my friend. Well, if close to you, and she will tell me exactly what they have on. So you can't come trick me. Huh? Tough it. So that's $100 for the picture. and $100 for the recording. Uncle Foley, big up your nice clean self. Cause you say me recording, though. So I'm going to show you so me serious. That's $200 in a day, yeah. Tuffy, you it's too easy to say, you know. Cause you say me a the liar, you know, me a the culprit, you know. I mean, I accept that. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yeah. Me a the liar and me a the culprit, right? Culprit. So me want you make bag of TV. Cause them not like me and me not like them. I saw it go. But I saw where I go. When you have to clap it, you clap. Them clap it for me, clap it back for blood clot them. I saw it go. Huh? I the strong one, staying at the show. I the weak one, dead in at the show. You understand? I'm a fighter, you know. From America, I come here as a fight, you know. Fight with ambition. You may just come in my yard. Oh, my screaming, not feel rep me, my owner boss, me, my owner dad. I go where I want, and I move where I want. People have to move me. So guess what, Tuffy? At $200 Friday, yeah, you know, so you can buy two Guinness. You can buy two boom. You can buy a flask of white rum. And you can buy the weed. Cause me know money body not send you. She not send you. She not send you that $200. So Tuffy, come play the recording where you send me and me send it to Dan. Come. Come show the people them say it's a real girl towards me. Is that you liar towards me, a real girl is a bitch towards you. Yeah, Tuffy. Come show the people them say me a pussy all against you. I make bag of them carry me because bag of them say them want if me I play you them a rub me. So guess what, Tuffy? A long time they want to rub me and come for me. The whole world want to come for me, you know. I'm prepare for this hour, yeah, you know. Send out the recording you sent to me. Say, Dan, attract me and money body attract me. Tuffy. That you sent to me and me must go so easy. And pre down in a corner. Huh? Because me know say Tuffy, like I said, if you know everybody know me already. If you never send that blood clot recording, social media mash up long blood clot that line months ago. So me don't know where you are go with that. Huh? Cause we're not afraid of nobody. We're bad by ourselves. Uh-huh. We're bad by ourselves. But if I get clap it on me, clap it back on her blood clot, she just me this her up. She tell me say my pussy big, me tell her say her pussy bigger. Yeah. She tell me say me ugly, me she uglier than me. So play the recording, girl. People on this. When you go over bag of TV and tell them say the money gone up to $200 in the Friday, you can I fucking time me I deal with right now. I kill me actually, me not work today. Me clean the whole of my house and me tired. Just sit up me see my mama put on me doing baby. Me have to clean my office and the way me tired, me don't even go down and clean my office today. Because some of them come drop too money for my two paper for do and I just lazy, some of them want it. If my mother feel like if I don't go to them, if I don't drink, I start sit down on my computer and start do the paperwork and make the people come pick up the paperwork tomorrow. So Tuffy, like how me are the old wicked on the IG, and me are the culprit, and me are the evil bitch, cause I take every blood clot punch. Tuffy, me I take every blood clot punch. Cause this a stone no can let down. Me not afraid of people. Mm-hmm. Anything my blood clot, me say. Mm-hmm. Cause any girl when me rub them back. Uncle Foley, you know say anything you want me give for free. Yeah. But Tuffy, I Tuffy me a challenge today because Tuffy enough and come in and me worry, I never send call her. And she say one say tell me to get rid of the people, them not get rid of money body and down, you know. And I say Tuffy, don't come tell me no foolishness in my ears. The whole rest I must get rid of them, I never get rid of money body. Beg me, please my cars, oh Lord, Kim, please get turn on your left and rub Tuffy. Cause Tuffy a pass your place. Me I'm recording. When them say me say yeah this me, when you this mean down a money body Tuffy. We never send calling at this hour. You want piece of the world and we not use you. Tuffy. But me have give you $200 because I say money is a downfall. Though. Ah, money is me not cause you know. Money is a downfall, you know, say I feel of me Allah. Money is a downfall, you know, tough. Money is a downfall and I'm gonna pray to God make God change you. Yeah, make him change you. Because I don't want to be a beggar. You have two beautiful boy pitney and boy pitney for the mother. And I don't want when them grow up, them shame of you. Tuffy, the people that want to see in the graduation clothes and the good clothes and the good shoes and the good shoes, them and the good ear and the good makeup. And we want to hear the recording where you send me and me send it down because I'm not loyal to you. Cause you never send me a recording. But like how you say you send me. And you tell you show back about them, say me buy your bicycle. Remember saying me and Brandon not chat when Brandon getting big money. You calling for my phone, I'm gonna look on you, I'm gonna run you. I'm say Tuffy going over Brandon's side. I'm gonna look on you. Brandon coming now, my money. I'm gonna give me things. Look how long I stop saying you look for $50. Tuffy just say me 3,000. Add up everything and max up everything and come show the people there what $3,000 mean. Well, Tuffy me look careless to you. The people them know say me no careless. Tuffy me tell you this. Me have friend at Jamaica. And me send them money. Send them big money. And then buy a car and then do this and then do that. And if them fall today, we go to the bank and send them back again. Tuffy. That's the difference. Because guess what? Them have ambition. We see them do something with the money. You understand? I can't rest my head comfortable and say, yeah, man, my money go to no waste. But my money go to waste with you. Huh? And you make the whole world laugh. I'm say, all when the world say, you don't have ambition, I say, no, man, give her a chance. Uncle birthday Friday 22nd Friday November 2024. Yeah, we're outside. We're outside. In the morning, outside. Yes, uncle. So tough. You know say I laugh. Yeah man, I laugh because I say me not worry within a real life. Yeah, me not cuss no dirty bad word Tuffy. You know why? Cause you're a girl, me look out for your kids them. And I do it with a clean heart. Me never do it, you know, if you don't get no fame and everything, make you cuss for me. Me feel your pain as a mother. What you say? Santos by the bicycle? I have a recording, you know. And I have the picture of the bicycle. Me and Brandon never talk when Brandon get the money. And she said me, okay. And Brandon buy me this bicycle. I said money and buy me this out of the money. That's why she that cost Brandon. That's why she that cost out Nana blood clot because Brandon send her money for bicycle. And she sent a recording. She said, you want Donna to send Jaquan birthday. Mm-hmm. You want Jaquan? You said me and Donna to send Jaquan birthday money. And I don't answer Tuffy. I told you to know me don't answer for Tuffy phone call. You tell that me and call you stop talking to me, Tuffy. Tuffy, you can't stop talking to me. And me lock you up, Tuffy, me they even block you. Money body tell me if you block you, I don't even block you. But I told Dan to block you though. It's so me powerful. I told Dan to block you though. So until then you have to block that little girl for a little while, you know. Cause she don't respect your thing, you know, she water down your thing, you know. Yeah, cause you water down the woman thing. Just like come and tell you don't cause up, you water down the people. You're ungrateful. You are very ungrateful. Mm-hmm. Very ungrateful. No see a pure love me and laugh. To feel me the best, my face with that. You don't know when me get big, so my face get. Laugh me and laugh for fire. Sit down here, son of my yard. Get some fresh air. Catch cream, big up your nice clean self. I mean, eat some ice cream. Mm-hmm. When me ready, me run go. Hold 2 shower. When I'm free for go, while I drink, and come my friend come pick me, and go while I drink. I run out and go while I drink. Tuffy. Yeah. So when you are telling people them say, I too up, me and you not chat. No, Tuffy tell the people them say me right you have long time. I may have every message me right here. You call me and say money body and down and chat me and you have recording. You say rock scene tell you say must me must be careful of down and money body. I'm gonna tell you something I don't want to hear nothing. You understand? Yeah. No, I hear nothing. Cause the whole world tell me say don't deal with you. I'ma deal with you. The whole world cost me for you. Remember say Karen Green Boots cost me 2 years, you know? Remember me never disrespect Karen Green Boots yet, you know? Karen Green Boots cost me 2 years, you know? Me used to define life with Karen Green Boots. I was so reason about business, this, that kind of thing, house, that kind of thing, that kind of. Karen Green Boots cost me 2 years. 2 brand money. When my man come with the car of money, I'm gonna give you switch up on them, and you switch up on them, I switch up on them. From me, so you switch on them, I know you go switch on me. Me not eat that Tuffy. I watch people, I love, but I watch people move. I'm just chilling. Poochie, I soon get off. I just like, where you want to go later? Poochie, go while I drink. Come pick me up now. I got beer. And we don't mash up road because I don't feel for work today. So for me feel for go all to drink tonight in the night. It's summertime, you know. Yeah, summertime. And a New York City. And we've enjoyed the summer before winter come catch you again. Because Tuffy, America cold, isn't it? Your friend, I'm not telling you. America cold, no blood clot. And especially when you don't no care. That's why I tell her, Karen Brown, I tell Tuffy, I challenge her right now. Tuffy me send Santos the cash out because remember say when Santos send you just send money to me to you. I'm cash out. I'm send it to Santos tonight. I make Santos send it to you. Post up a picture and show me say they look nice for your son, girl. I feel. I lift up me so yes, that's my girl. I send out the voice note. Me say yeah. Cause Tuffy I know you not send me the voice note. I mean I wait for the voice note, you know. Send we the people that want to know. Cause it's Friday. All right. Yeah, okay. You come get me. All right. Let me soon come off. I'm gonna finish my ice cream and go a beer and thing. Oh. Okay. We the people that want to hear what the voice note say. Cause I know me not hear it, and it will be the first time I hear it. But me not want to hear it back at the class. And I want to hear it in front of the class. I want the whole world hear it and the whole IG hear it. Cause I don't hear it yet. Cause I would have loved to hear it in a real life if you have it. Yes, I would have love. So if you look at my nice friend, them come with them nice car. So if you have a nice friend, me have a Tuffy look. Me think no water. Tuffy me think no water don't like some girl, you know. Yeah, me think don't water like some girl. Tuffy cause you know me have ambition. Me have ambition. Tuffy, you can't not a girl who have ambition, you know. Yes, me have ambition, girl. You know. And that me not try to put into you. Me want you to be a boss and step up yourself and you me come to Jamaica, me come look for. Me come at your salo. Me come at your rental. Yes, my brother, good. Yeah, man. Me come at your stall and say, okay, I reach Jamaica, me just make a one move and rent Tuffy rental. You know? Oh, cry my friend around your stall and say, me go buy out Tuffy bar and my friend go down this and buy out the bar because we love drinking, you know. Because when we party, you know. Yeah, when we party, we party. Yeah. Tuffy, I Charlie Brown, so me come at Jamaica. When I come to Jamaica, Charlie Brown, when I come to Jamaica, that was April, about what? About 3 years, 4 years. And that same them was supposed to fly back to New York. And I tell my friend them, say, no, man, if you go make a link before I go up on the plane, you know, my friend them cry me a port when I go to Elsha. Huh? I run me put on. And I bless every ghetto youth. Everybody round me. Me have picture for this. Me bless everybody. Me bless Brandon friend. Me bless all of the shot of them. Everybody. To Brandon fly in one boy from Jamaica and turn against him. You understand? And I when you see me sell out and I just bring them it so cause me not believe in ungratefulness. You mustn't be ungrateful in your life. Yes. Sometimes you have to walk away, not every fight you can't fight. You know, especially when people good to you. Mm-hmm. So Tuffy, and that me the one from you. Me and Tuffy not a problem people. I could have never have a problem with Tuffy. I try to embrace Tuffy and listen to her and give her a chance as a human. Yeah. Mr. Tuffy is not there, it's not set right. Uh-huh. Yeah. I think she would have even changed. And honestly speaking, and I talk, she would have even changed because our cousin and Brandon is very good friend. She have a bad man friend and Brandon is very good friend. And I think should have that respect with Brandon and that you have, I think Tuffy would have make some changes. But Mr. Tuffy no changes. Be a foolishness Tuffy depend. Mm-hmm. Tuffy. When you come to New York, Brandon house, you are coming at my house. Yeah, Brandon, yeah, you are coming at my yard.